In this video, I will talk about how you can make text vertical in Microsoft Word like this. To make text vertical, we have to go to Insert. First, we need to insert a text box. We'll see here the text box option. Just click on it. Then click on Draw Text Box. Then draw a text box. Then write the text. I write vertical text, then select the text and increase the size from here and adjust the text box. Then you will see the rotate option here. Just click on it and press shift and you can rotate it vertically and adjust the text box position. If you want to remove the border line, just right click and select format shape, select line and click no line. Press anywhere you want. See, the text is now vertical and has no border line. By following this method, you can easily make a text vertical.